Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you how to remove your Facebook account from other devices. To do it so, you actually want to make sure to update your Facebook application to the latest version. Then go ahead and log into your account. After you're logged in, then you want to tap on the menu bar in the top right corner. Go to the gear icon or the settings from the top right once again. Then what you could here do is that you could go to the see more in account center. Then what next you actually want to do is you simply want to go ahead and click on password and security. So what you could actually do is, the first thing is you could try changing a password. That could actually help you out to remove all your account from other devices or your Facebook account. This is one way of doing it. So if you don't want to change your password but want to remove from other account or devices, then here you could come to the security check section and you'll be able to see where you're logged in, and here you'll be able to find the account. So you just want to simply click that out, and what you actually want to do is you simply want to go ahead and select device to log out, and you actually want to go ahead and click on the device. Like for example, I'm going to go with this and click on the logout options. Now do this and you've successfully logged out or removed your account. So now you have to go ahead and enter in the verification code that will be sent to your registered email ID or your phone number. So that's how you do. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.